guys, Tyler Richard here with MarineMax, Sailandski, and Lakeway. I'm here on this beautiful 2023 Nautique G21. Let's go ahead and take a look. I want to touch base on a few of my favorite things on this boat, and one of the big things is starting off with this beautiful walkthrough, which you guys just saw. It is a tiered system that you can work your way up through the middle. They actually went down in the fiberglass to kind of do a cut through here, so it's an easy step down to this seat here. They added a piece of sea deck here, so whenever you step down, you're not going to mess with the upholstery at all. And then obviously down to the floorboard. They did a full walkthrough through the middle, up into your bow space here. I'm going to touch base on something else. I don't like that. So let's start off with the helm. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. You've got your Nautique helm seat. This was actually updated in 2017, and they kind of touched it a little bit more here and there. One big feature on this seat is the ability to turn, place your leg through this cut through, and be able to view your rider while you're driving. You can also join in on the conversation. This is a full slide back and forth, and it also rotate around, and so you can kind of hang out with the rest of your crew. You've got your link panorama screen. All of that is controllable from this knob located here. It's also touchscreen, so you can change the radio station, Bluetooth, you can change your wave. You can basically do every feature on this boat from that link panorama screen. You've also got a separate head unit located in your glove box, so you can control the radio from the passenger seat as well. I also want to go over just the seating configuration for viewing a rider. So obviously I can sit here, kick my feet up on the seat, relax, but if I want to add an extra vantage point here, lift that latch, flip this up. Now whenever I sit in this seat, I've got a footwell for myself, and then someone can sit in front of me and kick their legs up. Along that lines, we've also got an added seat. Not on the G21. So cut that. On this boat also, so you have the vantage seat from there. We're going to go down to here. This is a sliding rear bench that you can pop open, create 2 extra seats for viewing there. You've also got like a small snack cooler at your feet there, so if you put the kiddos here, they're kind of locked in right here, and they can get down there and grab some snacks and some drinks from that small little cabinet. And that just folds down, lift, slides back into place. Yep. So the big thing for me is also the JL audio. You're going to have 2 tower speakers. You can option for 4. 2, plenty of audio. 4, it is incredibly loud and sounds amazing. This is the manual folding tower. So all you have to do on this one, release these latches, the tower will fold backwards and it will stow away. The bimini on this boat is going to be a tri-fold bimini. It takes about 30 seconds to get this thing up and down. All you're going to do on this one, release this pin here, drop this arm, it'll Velcro into place, and it folds on top of itself. So it'll all stow away into a very compact and towable configuration. Those are the few things that I love about this boat. Again, my name is Tyler Richard with MarineMax, Sailandski, and Lakeway. My phone number is 512-965-1114. I hope to see you on the lake. Have a good one.